This is video number 2 about how to do so-called fake deck for the ship models. In my firm opinion, does not exist fake or right. There are different ways actually to make a presentation of something what should look nice, historic and original by many means. Number 1 video was about how from the single board to build this kind of good looking deck segments. As I told you, when I'm finished with this, I will fill that with white wood glue. This is actually how that looked like before applying the glue. I will show you now how that goes, and don't be afraid of applying the glue. This is a white glue what will fill all holes lying between the segments of the deck. For simple purpose, when dries up is transparent and any color of the pencil what is on the board will still be there and will look actually like original wood planks, and in between is resin or rubber stuff what we are actually using to fill the holes that seawater or rainwater does not go deep on the lower level. Okay, that is going exactly like this. That means as a not mystery, is just about idea and about experience. I did many decks different on different models, different period, historically different time. I'm doing that last 55 years. I don't call that struggling to make a deck. I was very open, trying, as being artist I am, I'm looking for historical look, something what someone who look the model will actually understand colors, the feeling and the atmosphere what was on the ship. This is the actually special way, artistic way to do the deck, not only being some kind of carpenter, I'm talking being an artist, historically actually showing something, opening to better understanding. Now I will take more of this glue what we don't need off with wet, as you see, paper towel. We need a glue only inside the lines or holes. Make it smooth as much as you can. Take it off on the surface. Okay, and this is now ready to dry. The other side of this board I did already and is dry now. Okay, I will turn that upside down. This is the board what I did. What is going now as another process, what is shellacking, giving some warm color to the deck, because sometimes you need a little bit darker or a little bit lighter to leave it lighter, sanding slightly over all this. There is no problem that you will take off the lines because the glue is covering everything and is a solid surface on the top. Before going with the shellac, you have to move the dust, what will actually give you some problems later. I have some shellac, what I do myself for the furniture. It is so darker, little bit darker. We have blondie, what is white for the top artwork, when should be the transparent. This one is for a little bit darker wood and the furniture. Good. We will use this shellac, as I told you, on the board what we have already. Lines, glue, and we are giving a little bit, as you can see, of the color. Deck on the ships is mostly dirty because of usage, cleaned as much as was possible to that time, but most of the time was some kind of the patina. Patina of the time. What is the only patina? Time can do patina only. We are just faking this. Good. This means we are finishing now this board with a shellac. What is, as you see, is a little bit cherry color or a little bit darker smoky. Now this segment is ready to dry and to use directly, taking the drawing exactly what you need and cut that out. This was the second video about a deck. As I mentioned, I have other deck materials I'm using. Next video, third one, will be how to build a deck in way really we build that. These segments are going to be applied just one by one, and in between I have a very dark cardboard I will cut in the slices, and to put that in between and glue that together. This will be next third video. Thank you for following us. Third video is coming soon. Good luck to you and your projects.